Hey guys, come with me as I attend my first international day, cultural day abroad in my new beautiful city. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Sit back and enjoy.
Please, can you tell us, I said it before, so can you tell us where the next country presented is Congo! Please, a round of applause for that. I cannot feel the energy. A round of applause for that, please. Thank you. Okay, so Nigerians are coming for the presentation. Thank you.
Guys, I'm sure you're enjoying the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So right about now, we are waiting for the Nigerian community to come out and present. You are about to be wild. Make sure you sit back and enjoy.
Which expanded through long-distance trade and military technology to the Igbo civilization, the first broadcasters in Africa, from the thousand-year-old Benin Empire with its infrastructure and far-reaching diplomatic links to the formidable military and administrative
in the world, just behind India, China, United States, Indonesia, and Pakistan. It is surrounded by neighboring countries such as Benin, Cameroon, and the Nigerian Republic. The name Nigeria was derived from the Niger River that runs
right, my people, I hope you enjoyed that short documentary there about the Nigerian culture, even though I didn't really film it all. Right about now, it's time for item 7. What are we here without Nigerian food? Let's go.
One here?
And let's take it and let's move to it.
Oh, you want to drink the drink?
Which one?
Anybody want ayamashi? Ayamashi is this way for the Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the local, right?
Sorry, I'm just taking video.
Oh, that is beans. I'll come back.
Very nice. What dish is this?
This is from South Africa. I mean, Angola.
Wow.
What food is that?
It's a fish from Angola.
Angola. Oh wow. Nice. Is this? What's this? Is this?
Fish and shower from South Africa.
This looks nice. It looks like our beans from Nigeria as well. I'll come back to have more.
And it's a potato salad.
Ah, nice. So South African food, guys. Hello. Okay, you didn't hear you.
Take what you can eat. Please don't take excess. I don't waste food.
It's Indian food. This is Indian salad. Oh, this is gorgeous. Poulet. I'm trying to speak French. Bonjour, comment ça va? Your food is very everywhere. Especially this food is Congolese. Congolese.
I still carry plates. See your food. See your food.
What am I?
God bless my sister. Let me tell you.
So this is Congolese meat. This is chapeau pork. And that area is a Nigerian dish.
Pride. What makes us very proud in Cameroon is sport. Sport will bring us together. We are very proud of our national football team because they were the ever first African country to go to the World Cup.
It is a opportunity for all us to be here, and I really appreciate your presence here as well. I would like to invite the member of Asian Descent Church, first of all, to come and do their presentation, please. The member of Asian Descent Fellowship from New Zealand, will you come?
All right, my people, right about now, we have the Indian community. They're about to come upstage to render their presentation. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoy the videos about the food. I wasn't able to vlog because I was just greeting anybody. Anyway, enjoy.
We'll be playing the national anthem next.
Alright guys, that's us done about our beautiful International Day, Cultural Day, as we celebrate ourselves abroad in the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed every beaten part of this video. Right about now, I'm about to run to go and finish my jollof and fried rice you saw on my plate. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!